Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get basic oxygen tanks in fish. These essential items allow you to explore the Northern Expedition's high-altitude regions without running out of breath. We'll cover the first 3 types of tanks, detailing where to find them and what they cost. Equipping the right tank is crucial for a successful journey, ensuring you can reach new heights and discover all the game has to offer. The journey begins with the basic oxygen tank, a green-colored essential for new explorers. You can easily acquire this tank at the very first campsite you encounter. Look for it situated conveniently next to the hiker number 2 non-player character and a bright yellow tent. This initial tank will cost you 1,000 cash and offers about 6 minutes and 30 seconds of oxygen, perfect for starting your ascent. As you progress, the beginner oxygen tank offers a significant upgrade. You'll locate this improved tank at the 3rd campsite, nestled within the frigid cavern region. It's often found near a wooden crate and a pickaxe. This tank is available for 3,500 cash, providing a greater oxygen supply than the basic version. It's ideal for extending your exploration time in more challenging areas. For those tackling tougher climbs, the intermediate oxygen tank is your next step. This tank is situated at Camp 3, right beside the important summit rod. It comes with a price tag of 10,000 cash, reflecting its superior capacity. This tank is specifically designed for higher altitudes, allowing you to venture much further up the mountain with confidence and a more generous oxygen supply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.